we have the opportunity today to hear from employers who operate in a wide variety of industries, actually, and who believe that a fair workplace is actually a profitable workplace.
We see our employees and representatives as the most valuable asset we have as a corporation internationally, and we are very proud of that.
We actually just finished an engagement survey, and it increased for our operations staff, which is the majority who were impacted by living wage. It increased by 23% of engagement level year over year. Pretty significant. What that means is that level of engagement brings that level of caring back into the business. They care about the quality of the product that they're bringing out to the consumer. They care about each other. They care about the business.
I know who I'm hiring for the next year. How do I know that? Because we don't have the turnover. I don't have to replace people all the time. How much time do my people spend training these people?
In the United States, there's been some really interesting research about minimum wages and the macroeconomic effect. They found that increases in the minimum wage are actually stimulative. And so as soon as they get money, they spend it in the local economy. And that's called a higher marginal propensity to consume. And so the good news for the economy and for local businesses is that workers have more money to spend.
Any short-term savings that are made in keeping wages low or cutting back decent work, we end up paying heavily through our health and through our rising healthcare costs.
Because that's what I see Bill 148 as, an opportunity to raise expectations. I see our work with the Better Way Alliance, and I see our work with Living Wage Ontario and those local community networks as an opportunity to raise expectations, not just ours, but everybody around us, all the stakeholders.
It also helps business. More disposable income out in the community, turns over a number of times in the community, creates business opportunities, both for small businesses and bigger businesses.
Almost every company gets the idea that they have to pay well and provide good benefits and have a great workplace to retain their top management. They get that. They pay CEOs enormously well. They have great pensions for them. They're concerned about retention and attraction at the CEO level, but they don't always think about that for the rest of the workforce.
You can pay a living wage even in retail and be successful. Year one, which is almost unheard of in retail, we actually broke even and made a profit. In year two, our sales are 30% higher than year one. Why? When we treat our people well, our people treat our customers well, and that's the only way to succeed in business.